What is going on, guys? I am Jay Cons, and today we're going to be unboxing the MicTuning 40 amp relay wiring harness. Supposed to be a 2-lead harness with 40 amp fuse. It's also supposed to come with an LED on-off LED light bar rocker switch. So yeah, let's get dug into this thing and see what we have. Alright, so far the box is actually pretty nice for a $13 wiring harness. Ordered this on Amazon. Gonna put a link down in the description. Hey, there's the rocker switch right there. That's actually a pretty nice little rocker switch. I mean, it's feeling it. Feels like cheap quality plastic, but it's got a real significant rock to it. Might be a little worried about it getting caught on something and getting the top of it there ripped off, but I think it'll be all right. Here we've got the wiring harness install instructions. Just a little basic diagram again. Shows the little rocker switch we got there. Shows it being a 2-lead. So there's that. And here's the harness itself. Comes in a Ziploc bag. Sorry, a resealable bag. There's the harness itself. Looks like there's a relay down in the middle there. Get this opened up, take a look at that relay. That is a lot of wire. Oh, hey, there's the relay. I found it. All right, there is our relay. It is a 40 amp, 12 volt DC relay. And here is our inline fuse, just off our power and ground connections there, or negative connection, whatever you want to call it. Let's see how we pop this bad boy open. Alright guys, so I got the fuse open here. Just a little inline bladed fuse. It was kind of a bear to get open, but that's a good thing. It means it's, well, hopefully good and waterproof. Looks like the ends here are both, oh, that's the switch end. This should be our switch end here. Goes in the truck itself, connects to our rocker switch. Here are the ends that will actually attach to our lighting. These leads don't look very long in between the two lights. I might end up having to extend that a little bit because I'm going to use this to wire up my fog lights. Alright, also included in the package, it looks like we got 3 more inline fuses and the 4 spades that we will need to put onto our lights to hook it up to the harness. Alright guys, gonna take some real quick measurements on this harness here, that way you know whether or not it's gonna fit your application. From the end of the switches to the relay, is approximately 72 inches. From the relay to the first set of lights, right around 68.5, 69. Probably closer to 70 if it was stretched all the way out. To the further set of lights is 100 inches. And in between the lights, we have right around 42 inches worth of wire. Alright guys, that's going to do it for our unboxing of the MicTuning 40 amp wiring harness. Hopefully I helped you guys out, helped you make your buying decision. Like I said, there will be a link down in the description to this product on Amazon. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.